Welcome back, my friends. I had a pregnant mom ask me to do a self-massage for anxiety during pregnancy. I know the feeling. Stay tuned. So get comfortable. You can sit in a chair, you can be semi-reclining, not all the way reclining if you're more than halfway through your pregnancy, but you can prop yourself up on pillows. I love sitting on the floor, and I remember I liked sitting on the floor when I was pregnant as well. So I'm just on the floor with my back against the couch. So find what works for you, find what's comfortable, maybe a pillow behind your lower back. And just settle in, just come to the present moment and take some nice deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. You can close your eyes to settle. Breathe in love to the baby. Breathe out any muscle tension. Let it just ooze away. And one more deep breath. Exhale it out. And now just breathe normally as we begin with the forehead. This is all gentle. This is all for relaxation, anxiety reduction. Be kind to yourself. And we'll just start with light sort of feather brushing of the forehead. You can go out to the sides. You can go fast or slow. Already feels so relaxing. You can also stroke upward. You can make gentle circles that feel so good. Just releasing the whole head. I'm just using my fingers, making gentle circles. I'm not pressing hard or anything. Just feeling good. And you can take it out to the temples. You can make small circles, big circles. And here you can start applying some more pressure if you like, if that feels good. You can just hold and breathe if it's a little sensitive. Exhale out all the tension. Feel the head just relax. And then you can come onto the ears. So we can start at the top of the ear and just sort of do little circular motions with our fingers. And we can pull at the same time, which feels really nice as well. So circling and pulling, circling and pulling, and I'm making my way down around the ears. So circle and pull. And honestly, you don't have to do the precise technique. It's whatever feels good. And ear massage is always so wonderful. It's energizing and relaxing at the same time. And pulling down on the lobes. You can ditch the circles and just do some nice ear pulling. Just feel that stretch. You feel the fascial stretch across the face, into the skull. Deep breaths while you do this, always breathing. Keep it flowing. And then pull outward, maybe the middle ear. I'm pulling out and back. then you can pull the lobes. Give them some nice arm weight. Just let gravity kind of do the stretch for you. And let it all go. Come right in front of the ears onto that temporomandibular joint that often gets tight. So many of us grind our teeth at night. It's a very, very common response to anxiety. So real gentle here. You don't want to press too hard on that joint. I'm just taking fingers and making circles. You can go forwards, you can go backwards, you can alternate. Let the jaw just hang out. It's a hinge joint. So imagine it just swings on a hinge. Nothing holding it. Just relaxing it down. So keep the jaw dropped as you do this. And then you can start to bring those circles down along the jawbone. All the way down to the chin. And then you can bring your fingers right under the cheekbones. You can feel for the cheekbones into the soft tissue right underneath. Flatten your fingers against your cheeks and just let gravity take your arms down and melt the tissue. Keep the breath flowing. Bring it all the way down to the chin. So good. Just make sure your jaw's nice and loose, and we'll do some gentle neck rolls. So just drop your chin towards your chest. Try not to let your chest or shoulders round with it. Keep that upright and just make it a neck movement. So we're going to roll one ear up to the shoulder. Go real slow with this. Our necks get really tight, and when we stretch, we want to move very slowly so that we don't get a spasm. Breathing. You can exhale as you roll the head around, and inhale as you lift the ear to the shoulder. Exhale. Inhale. A couple more. So nice. And then gently bring your head back to center. Go ahead and take your shoulders in your hands like you're going to give yourself a hug, and squeeze those shoulders, squeeze the deltoids, squeeze all that musculature, and just give it a nice massage. It's a hug massage. Breathing, breathing. Deep in and out, in through the nose, out through the nose. And then you can drop one arm, and we'll just do a squeezing massage motion all the way down. Ooh, you might feel your biceps a little sore like I do. So I'm going to go up and actually do that again. Wherever you feel like it needs a little more work, go for it. Hang out there. You can stop and just apply pressure. You can do more massaging. You can move the arm a little bit while you do it if that feels good. And then squeezing the forearm. Tractioning, so I'm kind of pulling the wrist. Give your hand a nice massage. Always feels so good if you're a texter, if you text all the time, and if you're typing and clicking a mouse, all those things. And pull each finger, just opening up the joints. And then you can switch to the other side. Keep the working arm relaxed as you work the other side. That is the trick. The self-massage trick, keeping the working area relaxed. Get those biceps, triceps. Squeeze down the forearm. You can squeeze and actually turn, rotate the forearm if you want. That feels really good. Squeeze and turn. Some traction to the wrist. Some massage to those poor muscles of the hand. And when you're ready, some finger traction. Let the arms drop, shake it out, maybe roll the shoulders a little. And we're gonna visit baby. And this is really, really gentle. I love to call this sun and moon. So one hand is making a sun and the other is making a crescent moon. So they'll sort of follow each other, but the moon will go over the sun arm when they meet. So give that a try. If that's just way too confusing, just use two hands going the same way. So sun and moon, really gentle, and you can start small in the middle, making the circles slowly bigger and bigger. The biggest you make them depends on where you are in your pregnancy. And then you can work your way back in again. You can go really slow with this. That feels nice. It's just warm. Give love to baby. I loved feeling my baby move around inside. It was so cool. I'm just going a little bigger again. Just going both ways. And then you can just rest your hands and take a nice deep breath into the belly. You can even breathe into the lower back, which is really nice, especially if you're having lower back discomfort. And try it again. Deep breath into the belly and think about expanding the lower back. And a long exhale out. Wonderful. So place your hands on your thighs and lean a little bit forward because you'll just lean your body weight down on your thighs to give them a nice massage. This feels so good. Our legs work really hard. So I'm just going down and then coming back up again. Whole hand, really broad pressure here. Leaning, not pushing with my arms or hands, just leaning. We're just letting gravity and our own body weight do the massage for us. I like exhaling on the compression. So inhale. Exhale, let the tension go. Inhale, let it go. And then you can stay right where you are. I'm just going to move so you can see. Just straighten the legs out in front of you, or if you're sitting, you don't have to, and just do some nice ankle circles. That's really good, especially if you get some swelling in the feet and ankles. This is good for moving that lymph. getting all those fluids going. You can point and flex. And make sure you do both. Of course, you can do them both at the same time. Might get some little cracks. And just come back to your center, to your seat, to your place, to your quiet moment, to the present. Place your hands on your knees. Place them down if you need more of a calming, grounding sensation. And you could do face up if you need more of a receiving sort of energy. And go ahead and take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it all go out with the exhale. Feeling calm and quiet and peaceful and very relaxed. And if you do feel more relaxed, please give me a like on this video and subscribe. I have all kinds of videos coming out and I want you to be the first to know, so hit the notifications bell and comment below. Let me know your story. Let me know when your baby's due and if this helped, and if you use it even after you have your baby, because a little bit of anxiety is common with that as well. So I will see you very soon.